We have a mixer today that has a problem like this. It's produce a worse sound. So there will be damage to the bush present above the armature. So sorry, the armature. So we are going to apply a new bush. So then we will remove everything. And we gonna unplug this wire. So remember there are just 2 or 3 wires. So here we are with the armature coil. Okay, completely remove the armature. And there are two big long screws, so we're gonna remove that. And that is the protection above the armature. So what I have seen above that, the stainless steel, that's a protection over the armature. So we're gonna remove that. And here you can see that uh, that's the shaking, that is a completely shaking thing. So in that part, yeah, you can see here there is a bush. Yeah, that is the bush where we are going to remove that. That's the armature coil, and the bush is already damaged, and the rotator rod is also gone some scratches. So that is the bush. So here we got and applied a new bush that is shining. So we're gonna put it back and everything here on. It's a normal mixer. We got completely keeping back to their normal position. Yeah, that is you can see now. So here with we have completed the top end, and we are now add some wires. Initially we have removed that in the bottom. After this we have done removing it and applying bushes in between them, the rubber bushes, and then screwing everything. So here we got a brand, sorry, it's not brand, at least a well working mixer. After this we are going to switch on once again, so you will see the normal mixer how it run. Compare this with the video starting. And thank you guys, subscribe for more.